Monastery ready is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is excellent to guests how to enjoy the surroundings. The property is far away from downtown. You can visit the highland and enjoy your food. Services some offers are available for this property. There are plans are given policy. For booking or more details, check link in the description. We are using this kind of so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video. The friends will be the property to safely happy.